I'm Rajasekaran Perumal, currently working at HCL Tech Madurai. I have 14 years of technical experience, especially in IT industry. While moving in the cafeteria in my company, I saw an advertisement from GUVI. Then actually it was quite interesting. I was also searching and looking for a course to upskill my knowledge. I saw that and I had an inquiry with a representative and I decided, yeah, I can go with DevOps. I joined DevOps course around last year. This is a nice experience to me. Our team has shown me a lot of patience and caring also. Whenever we were calling and reaching, I got a very good response from the team GUVI. The video recordings played an important role for my completion. Whenever I'm getting stuck at any point, I used to raise query. Vennilavan from GUVI team helped me a lot, solved my issues and troubleshooted everything. Wherever I stuck, he has quickly solved and given solutions. We used to have 3 projects, right? So dedicatedly, I sat for 10 to 15 days and I have completed my all the pending tasks and my projects. Especially, I would like to highlight one thing regarding the mentor's capability and his the way of teaching. Srikanth, I spent most of the time with Srikanth only. I enjoyed the session and learned it. I believe I will get a nice placement in the company. Everybody is looking for placement. In my perspective, each and everything I used to do same. For example, the way you have communicated to me, the people from GUVI, the contact, whenever we were going and asking something, right, the responsible answers especially impressed. Definitely, it will impress each and everyone. They used to think from our side. Starting, I was not confident, but when the classes goes one by one, I had confidence and I couldn't explain the feel. If we learn a new thing, that would give us a very good feel, right? That I had it. GUVI is a perfect learning partner. Most of my teammates are very eager to join the classes. Actually, I have shared the beautiful experience of this GUVI learning experience with my friends who were working with at office locations, and they are also very happy and they are also looking forward to join. I would tell you are doing good actually. Definitely, I will join I will start my next course also.